Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with a wig review. I'm going to be reviewing this unit right here. This is the Model Deep Invisible L-Part wig. It is Janica. Yes, hey girl, hey Janica. This is in the color 2. It is 400 degrees heat resistant, so it takes up to 400 degrees curling iron safe. It is a deep invisible L part. It is hand tied. It comes in a plethora of colors, as you can see right here. This is just a little piece, a little summer piece, a little summer vibe. So we're gonna get into it. But y'all know what's so great about this? Like, what's so bomb about this? Like, what is so bomb about? Okay. This mug was only $15.57. Yes, $15.57. Hey, y'all in the back. $15.57. So even if this is like a you can take a $15.57 L, can't you? But let's just get into this. Let's see what this all about. So here is the packaging right here. This is how it came, and we're just gonna go ahead and take this out and see if it can do what it do. So this is it right here. My color 2. Okay. She got a little swoop action going on. Got a little geometrical thing going on. Let's see. Okay, so this is the unit right here. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this little string off. Okay, so let's talk about the cap construction. So this is the parting space right here. It is kind of tight in my opinion, but we can go ahead and open it up. The cap construction. So she has a clip in the back. She has 2 clips in the front. And she has adjustable straps as well. So that is awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pluck this off camera a little bit just to make my part tighter because I don't like that part. So I'll be back after I do that. So I am back, and I did go ahead and just pluck it a little bit. I know that they said that it was a deep invisible L part, and that L was super deep and super invisible. I mean, like, where are you type of invisible? But I plucked it a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and try it on now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off. And her be looking busted. I mean busted. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Okay. So this is a right port. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it right here. And when I first put this on, this is giving me all kind of like, I feel like it look like I'm somebody's wife, one of the presidents or something. It's giving me dun 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 dun. That's what I'm getting from this, and I don't like it. So we're gonna see what we can do about it. Okay, so the cap, if it's perfect, if it's just right, yeah, I feel like somebody auntie, like, Shirley, did you get your glasses off the table? Shirley, that's how I don't know. Let me put some makeup in the part and see if that's gonna do something. I have this Fit Me in the 360. We're gonna see if this is gonna liven the party up because Shirley gotta get her glasses now. She gotta get her glasses. Let me see. Cause Shirley can get her groove back too. Shoot. Okay, this boy. Open up now. Open up for me. Let's see what we got here. Okay. We just gonna do this like this. Just to see if this is gonna do something about this part. Okay. So we put some little makeup in there. It helped a little bit. Let me see. Okay. It's kind of puffy in the back. Okay. This little swoop is okay. Give me some kind of vibe. Okay. So it's extra room in the back. So I guess it is like big head friendly. Let me see if we can go in with the flat iron a little bit. Just to lay some of it down. Because when I was putting it on, I could see like the thick roots. It was some thick roots in here. So we just gonna see if we can take care of that. I think I'm about to do a little cutting because I'm just not feeling it. I don't know if I'm cutting to make myself look more like somebody auntie or what, y'all. I'm just not feeling that thing going on. Okay. What about this over here? We just gonna see if we can. Look, I ain't nobody's beautician. So, shoot. Y'all cut at y'all own discretion. I'm just trying stuff to see what's going on with what's going on. Okay, let me see. Okay, this kind of cute. This kind of cute. Miss J done came out. Let me see. I really like this. This is kind of cute. I probably ain't cut it to the best of my ability, but I probably ain't cut it to no professional looking stuff, but I did the best I can do, yeah. Cause like I said, I ain't no hairstylist. Let me see. Okay, I got some hair on me. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is kind of cute. Now this, we can do something with this. Maybe I should go in and cut this a little more. What y'all think? No? Okay. 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 Okay, what we doing? Is we liking this little feather situation? Okay. Okay. I think I'm done. I think I done cut enough. This is how much I done cut, y'all. The whole dang on freaking wig. But I like this better than how I was looking at first when I first put it on. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, so we really pretty much already talked about this unit. I'm just trying to line it up. But this is pretty. I mean, this could have a little more feathers in it. But for the most part, this is cute. This is simple. It's not giving me Auntie Shirley no more. I might be y'all cousin Whitney. It might be giving me some Whitney vibes. But I like this better than what they was doing on her. Because they was not giving me life on her. And your girl needs life to be given when she puts these units on. And for $15, you can take some scissors and do a little chop, chop, choop, choop sometimes. So yeah, I put some makeup in the part and I plucked the part a little just to open it up because the thing wasn't visible. Put a little makeup in there. I did use my flat irons on 10 because it was some thick roots in there. So I wanted to get that. This is like cozy. I would say it's big hair friendly because it fits just right. But there is extra room back here. If you do want to pull it down or whatever you want to do to it, there is extra room. So that is a plus. I really like this. This is really... I mean, I want to say it's a put it on and go because you can just put it on and go, but you might have to put a little work into it as far as trying to make it fit you, so to speak. You want it to fit you. And Auntie Shirley, I wasn't there yet. I wasn't at that point in my life yet where I wanted to be. Where I wanted to be somebody Auntie Shirley. But yes, this is my review. I hope you enjoyed this. 15:57, y'all. If y'all don't already have paused the video and put this in your cart and rung it up and paid for it, like, what are you doing? I'm like, what are you saying? This is like so simple, so easy. I got somewhere to go. Okay, let me put Miss J on and get on with my life. Okay, so I'm going to give y'all like a 360 situation, the best I can, because I'm sitting down on the couch so y'all can see how it looks. So this is the front. This is the left side. This is the right side. And I'm going to see if I can show y'all the back. This is the back of it. If y'all can see that. Okay, so that is the unit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.